Peace, family. I've been having conversations lately that have been inspiring me and also been giving me the opportunity to get clarity, more clarity, and focus in what I am wanting to do. Um, I want women to know how to love themselves. I want women to have love for themselves and know how to take care of themselves and know how to move themselves and push themselves through challenges and stress and know how to make good decisions and to release the traumas and drama that you've went through and experiences that hurt so much. Do you know how to release them? What I'm hearing is that we don't know how to release. We don't know how to let go. We don't know how to move on. And these traumas, these issues that we've had, they're like parasites eating away at us, eating away at your life, eating away at your happiness, taking away from you living a good quality life and your happiness and your joy and your peace. I've been asking people, where do you find your peace? How do you find your peace? What do you do to show yourself love? What do you do to make yourself happy? What does peace mean to you? Because we're not doing enough to take care of ourselves and love on ourselves and put ourselves first. And there's so much happening. Yes, I understand. And so much going on. And we have so many responsibilities. But can we do something different? Can we do something better? Can we live lives that are qualitative? Can we live lives that are filled with peace and joy and happiness? Can we let go of that which has happened and that which is holding us back from living our dreams and living our purpose? We all have a divine purpose. Some of us may know it, some of us may not know it. But even in knowing your purpose, are you living it? What's in the way of you living your divine purpose? What's in the way of you being happy? What's in the way of you being fulfilled? What's the point of living this life if we can't be happy? So I am just here, just talking to you and seeing that there's a big need for knowing how to release and let go. So join me in my workshop that I'm having next weekend, next Saturday. The Invite Wellness. How do you make space to invite your wellness? How do you make space to invite your happiness? How do you make space to invite peace? How do you make space to invite good health and well-being? How do you make space for that? How do you invite it? And that's what we'll be talking about. And I wasn't so clear in just the description, but I'm here now to be clear and let you know that you need to invite your wellness. You need to take care of you. You need to love you and manage yourself, manage your emotions, have good mental health, have good physical health, have good spiritual health. How do you do that? How do you take care of you? Did anyone sit and teach you? Were you taught how to take care of yourself? I wasn't. Not grown up. I had to learn it on my own. I had to go through some things. I had to go through some things. I had to go through some things. And talking about going through some things, what about those cycles of having similar experiences and things happening to you over and over again and meeting the same type of people? Why do I meet these same types of people all the time? There's a reason for that. There's lessons that you haven't learned. There's things that you haven't let go of. There's decisions that you haven't made. Have you decided that you didn't want those type of people in your life anymore? Have you decided that I want something better? So that's all I'm going to accept. I'm not receiving anything less than what I deserve. What do you deserve? Do you know? Have you decided? Have you defined? You have the power to define what it is that you want in your life. You have the power to define who you are. You have the power to define how you live and the life that you live. And you have the power to define that. No one can define that for you. No one can make you live a life that you don't want to. You have the power to love you and to take care of you and to manage yourself and to be confident that you know how to take care of yourself. So love you, take care of you, manage you, and invite your wellness. Ashe.